This is a document created for this academic school year for numeracy coaching, which is the instruction for teachers in the field of mathematics. These are some notes that was taken, as you can see, and this was shared with other numeracy coaches as well as a teacher. So you can see here on the side, the blue here is actually what another commentator actually added in, and they actually put theirs in blue. So some common math strategies they really talked about in the meeting was tape diagrams, but they also put other strategies that I can inform teachers when we kind of go over the lesson planning for the week. Also, too, here on the side, these were some thought-provoking questions that kind of gave me insight to how a teacher would address some of the strategies that I have placed down and put down for the notes to give to teachers. One in particular I can do right here in a moment is someone stated, will you provide students with the conversation starters to assist with discourse? So actually, I'm going to respond to this, and I am going to put that sentence starters are important for students to have, especially our E students and EL students. Also, this will promote thought-provoking discourse. Also, suggests that teachers have these in multiple languages. So this also kind of pushed me to like, okay, so encouraging students to student discourse, will we have student starters to allow students to be able to have that? So I'm going to reply, and then they'll be able to reply back to me. So it's kind of like an ongoing conversation. We can kind of look at these things as well to continue on.